Hey, it's Mr. Leatherwood.
And Mrs. Hannah.
And we are multiplying this week.
All right.
And we start with the box method.
Or you can call it, what did they call it last year?
The window method.
Window method.
Yeah,
yes, the window pane.
When I draw it on the board, I always add curtains, and they yell at me not to add curtains.
Oh, we don't get fancy in 5th grade?
Yeah, I guess it gets in the way, whatever.
All right, well, you can call it the box method or the window pane. Just don't do curtains.
Don't do curtains.
All right, got it.
So let's start with a problem. We'll start with two digit by 1 digit.
30. Why is that called a 3 by 2? Oh,
well,
2 by 3.
Two by 1.
Oh, man. What's that called?
Now we're just yelling out numbers.
Yeah.
2 by 1 because there is 2 digits, the 3 and the 2.
2.
Right? By 1.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep. Got it.
All right. So we're doing a box method or the window method. So we need a window.
Okay.
Okay. Window to the wall. I saw you shank that ball. Whoop. Okay. There you go.
Nice.
Nice.
Is that all we do?
Well, I put one of them over here.
All right.
It doesn't really matter what. And then my 32, I'm going to split it up. I'm going to do my tens place
30
plus my ones place.
Okay, so we need to know how to break up the number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got to be able to, what's that, expanded notation?
Yes.
Okay.
Fancy word, I like that.
And then what I like to do is every time I have an addition symbol, so this little guy here,
yep.
That's where I'm going to draw my line.
Okay.
And that helps me in a second when we do like a 3-digit number. I'll show you. It kind of helps me.
Okay, so the plus sign, you kind of just extend that line on down so you don't have to guess where it goes.
Exactly.
That's a great clue. Okay.
Yeah. And so then I'm going to multiply my 3 times my 30. And then I'm going to multiply my 3 times my 2.
And you can just put your answers in the box.
Yeah. So 3.
Those are products.
Yeah, products.
All right.
So 3 times 30 is 90. And 3 times 2 is 6.
Oh, and that makes it easy because I know 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 0 is 0. So it's a lot easier to multiply it that way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And then we just add 90 plus 6, and we could do that over here. Real easy. You probably do it in your head. So then your answer is 96.
And that's the answer. Okay, so it's partial products because you've got a part and a part in the window.
Yeah, we're breaking it up into two parts.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's do some erasing. Be easy. Be easy. Oh, that was easy. Try it again. Oh, that was pretty easy.
Don't forget, all you guys out there in math world, you're doing this with us in your journals.
Oh, yeah, definitely. That'd be smart. Okay, you want to do one more for him?
We want to do another 2 by 1?
Oh,
or do we want to do a 3 by 2?
Let's do a 3 by 2.
A 3 by 2. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So it'd be 875.
Okay.
Times 12. Ooh,
Okay.
that's a big one.
Yeah, so I'm going to need a bigger window.
Yeah, a bigger window. This is like one of those big bay windows, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
I'll make it long, too.
I hope you guys are drawing this.
Yeah, hope so. So we have 875, so I'm going to break that up here in the top since it's the longer number.
Yep, that's a good place to put the longer one. 800
plus
70. All right, and then a 5.
There you go.
All right.
And that's expanded notation again. And then 12, I'm not going to just put 12, I'm going to stretch it out too. So I'm going to do 10 plus 2. So my tens place and my ones place.
Okay, so we keep breaking it down just to make the multiplication easier. I like that.
And then, again, this is how I remember. Every time I see a plus symbol, I'm going to draw my line.
Okay.
So that tells me, see how it tells me how many times to break it up?
Yes.
And then I have one here.
So now we've got more panes in the window.
Yeah. See,
All
big bay. I actually have a window like this in my living room.
Oh.
It doesn't have curtains. It has blinds.
Okay, so kind of drawing your own window here.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, very nice.
So here we go. So, again, I'm going to do my 10 times 800. My 10 times 70, and it's going to go in this box. My 10 times 5, and it's going to go in this box. The way I do it, let's see if I can get 2 lasers. Am I getting 2 lasers? Yep. So they meet right there, so that's where I do the multiplication. 10 and 70s right there.
All right.
And there. And then we'll do the same thing with 2. 2 and 800 will go right here. 2 and 70 will go right here. And 2 and 5 will go right there.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. 8 times 1 is 8.
8.
And we have 1, 2, 3 zeros.
I like multiplying with lots of zeros because you can just add them on the end.
I do.
As long as they're tens and hundreds.
Yeah. 10 times 70 is 700. 10 times 5 is 50. See how easy this is?
Yeah, that
do it
really is easy.
nice and do it in your head. So 2 times 8 is 16. So that would be 1600 or 1600. 2 times 70, 140. And 2 times 5 is 10. Ta-da!
I can tell you know your math facts, Mr. Leatherwood.
I
That's
try.
really good.
I tried.
All right.
All right, so then we just start adding. So
How would I add that? 'Cause
well,
that's a lot of numbers.
it
to
is a
add.
lot of numbers.
Which way would I go?
I kind of break it into groups,
Okay.
or I go one at a time, really. And you can either, like, you could write it over here, like 8,000 plus 1,600.
Okay.
And then you could maybe do that first, if that helps.
So maybe add each column by itself,
Oh, that'd
going
be smart.
down.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
And so that's, whoops, 9,600. And then you could add to that if you wanted. Like, let's say I
okay.
wanted to add 700 to it.
And just keep going. Oh, that's probably even easier.
So you got there. So I'm done with that. I'm done with that. I'm done with that.
Oh, that's good.
And then these three, I could probably add them all together. 140 plus 10 is 150. Plus another 50 is 200.
Yes, that's right.
And so then I could just add 200 to this guy up here. And I would get my answer. I'm going to draw it down here.
All right.
And that would be my answer.
Okay.
So
does make it
875
easier.
times 12 is 10,500.
Okay. Got to be really careful with your addition, though, I see.
Yeah,
Gotta
you do.
keep up with that. But it is a lot of zeros, so it's easy addition. Just got to make sure we write it down right.
Definitely. So that's it. Partial products with a box.
Awesome.
It's one of my favorites.
I think it's really easy. Let's give them a couple that they could work on.
Okay. We'll put it on their thing. Or do you just want to do it on here?
Yeah, you can do it on here, or
Oh,
do you want
okay.
to put it on their thing?
Oh, whatever you want. It's all up to you.
Wow, so much
I
pressure.
know. Okay, what am I doing? Hold on. There we go. We could put one on here. Oh, look at that. Love it. Oh, no. All right. So you want to put a couple on here? Let's see.
Yeah.
Number one. Pick one, anyone.
All right, how about 523
Okay.
times 14?
All right.
And
One more.
57 times 6.
I love it.
All right.
Good ones to try.
Yep.
Have fun.
Do the box method. We'll see you tomorrow. Bring your spiral.
That's right.